What's your staffing? What's your turnover? Tell me a little bit about that.
So yes, it is a major issue right now in the States. You know, everyone looking for help.
Yeah.
If only we could become a virtual hygienist, I think we would solve a lot of people's problems. um, so uh, yeah, it solves that. But I also want to say it also can complement those internal teams, right? It's what sometimes can happen is an internal team feels like they're going to lose their job because the boss is bringing in this virtual support. And that's not always the case. It's to take off those time consuming tasks that someone at the front desk really just puts on the back burner every single day, doesn't have time for it. And quite frankly, most of those people were hired because they have amazing personalities and they're meant to be talking to patients, not insurance companies. So I like to look at it that way is
I love that.
we're complementing the internal team. In regards to turnover for us, our attrition rate is really low for the industry, and it really has to do with our internal culture and the things that we do for our team members. So things like we have pastoral care for them. So if they lost a family member or they're having mental health issues or whatever it may be, they have someone right there to talk to as opposed to having to leave, go find somebody. We have medical care on site for them. So same thing, if they're feeling sick, they don't have to leave the building and go to their doctor. We have it right there for them. We have other things like our own mini Starbucks. We call it the grind. So they have access to that because remember, they're working stateside hours, which for them, it means they're usually starting between 12 and 3 o'clock their time. So coffee is important. um,
Wow.
we also provide transportation because they're leaving anywhere from midnight to 3 a.m. And we obviously want them to get home safely and feel that we're taking care of them. So those are just some of the things that make our attrition rate really low.